Now I have the EINSTAR Vega with screencast on a big television. Hello my friends, my name is Sasha. I'm a Shining Ambassador and today I want to talk about the possibility to make a so-called screencast from the EINSTAR Vega to a bigger display device like a television, a screen that supports screencasting. Please refer to your manual of your television to see if it supports it. You will need a browser. For this one, I want to show you the settings. It's important that the screening device, television, and the EINSTAR Vega are in the same wireless Wi-Fi network. And you have, when you go to the settings overview, which means you go with the finger and slide down, you get the menu where it says screencasting. Now I'm going to click on screencast. And when you start screencasting on the device, you will get step 1 and step 2. For this one, I use a television, it's a Philips, and I use the address option for the screencasting, which means there is a QR code. Under the QR code, there is the HTTP address. And if I'm in the same network with the television and my EINSTAR Vega, I can use for 3D scanning the display on the EINSTAR Vega and also the big television in the back. Let's switch to the browser tab. On my remote control from the television, I click on the home button and then I search for the browser tab or the browser option. I already entered it into the browser, the address, and when you click on enter in the television, I can click now here, and while the page is loading, I move the cursor on the right side. Now I have the EINSTAR Vega with screencast on a big television. It makes it easier. If you want to scan in your living room and you have plenty of space, you can now go on and then to scan something, it turns on to the screen, which makes it a lot easier for orientation. Now I can use the big television for 3D scanning, which is also a comfort thing, I would say. Now I'm scanning the desk. And you can see all processes you are doing on the EINSTAR Vega, also on the television. When I'm finishing a scan, I can work with the big television screen in the back. Let's say here, you can see. I can click on optimizing, on finishing of the scan. And so this is a little fast scan projected to my television with the option of the EINSTAR Vega with screencast. I think it's at least working if you have a browser and both devices are in the same Wi-Fi network. This is just a little hint from my side because I used it already while I was scanning here in the loft preparing the videos, which makes it a lot easier for orientation. The screen on the EINSTAR Vega is already big, but you know, if it's possible to make it bigger, why not? I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for joining the session and I wish you a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye bye.